How to make zucchini bread? It's easy, let me show you. Today we'll do the cinnamon zucchini bread, but check out the blog for both the cinnamon and the chocolate. I'll leave the link up there and down below to the blog. Make this even more healthy with a few changes with oil, nuts, dried fruit, less sugar. That is why homemade is best, because you can control the ingredients. These have been washed with our veggie soap and rinsed well. We're definitely going to have extra, but I can use them in my pancakes. So good. This is the second day of April today, and I am definitely thinking about picking some of my own zucchini this summer. I cannot wait. The outer skins seem kind of tough, so I'm going to peel them all before I shred them. All the leftovers will either go in the compost. I don't have chickens anymore. Some will go for the worm bin, and then the others will go for the wild turkeys that have been coming up on the mountain for the last few weeks. I'm using a manual hand grater. Sometimes I use my KitchenAid. After I have weighed it, I have even put it in a Vitamixer or a blender and liquefied it. And I'm looking for around 251 grams, more or less. It doesn't have to be exact. And I have enough to make another batch. The next one I'll make will be the chocolate zucchini bread and a little bit left over for my pancakes. 3 medium-sized zucchinis gave me 2 batches, cinnamon and chocolate. And I just wanted to show you how nice the zucchini is. This is 5 days later. You can still use it for baking. It hasn't even turned brown. Just give it a whisk for a few seconds. I like to make a well in the middle where I drop the 3 eggs one at a time. Save the eggshells. This is pure moonshine extract. Look up there or up there, and you can learn how to make it. 1 to 2 teaspoons to your liking. 224 grams, you want a very light oil. And your 251 grams of shredded zucchini. You can put this in a blender. It works really well if you want to grind it up. And I just use a whisk. I never use a mixer. I just do this by hand. Fold, get all the dry ingredients. Now if you're going to add chips, nuts, raisins, put that in right now. And you don't want any dry. You want to make sure you get all that really nice incorporated. I'm going to divide this into 2 pans. I sprayed it and then I just put little pieces of silicone on the bottom. They're 4.5 by 13 times 2. Bake this in a 350 degree oven, 45 to 50 minutes. You don't need to over bake this. Very moist, really light and airy. Visit the blog for the printable recipes. Please leave a comment, hit like, subscribe, bell for all notifications, and this is Jersey saying have an awesome day.